I'm not sure. Yeah, we have the 50% retracement level just at this support. So most probably the market will move to the downside here, and then we should start to think of buying the USDCAD all the way up to this level again, 38, 35. So let me repeat. We are on an uptrend, since on the weekly time frame we have higher highs and higher lows. So better to think now to buy USDCAD, not to short it, to buy it. Since the market is showing bearish movement or weakness, we should wait until the market reach a significant level or a relevant one. For me, the relevant level here to buy is this area, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the support around 133.90. From here, we should consider a buy position all the way up until 38.38, which is the previous high. Next, gold. Gold on the higher time frame, weekly one, it's still bearish. You can see it. We have lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low. On the daily time frame, the market is showing some movement to the upside, or we have a positive momentum. And this is represented by an inverse head and shoulders. We have an inverse head and shoulders. We have a breakout of this bearish trend line to the upside. The daily bar close above this support 1681. So most probably the market will move to the upside. So what I will think of doing here is to wait until the market reaches 1733, which is, I think, a relevant level on Fibonacci retracement. You can see it is the 61.8. If I use the exact high, okay, so we have the 61.8 here, right at this level, 1733. We have a resistance as well, which is a relevant one. So most probably the market will reach this level, find some new sellers here, and then push the price to the 1682. Okay, so since we are in a downtrend on the weekly time frame, we should look for selling opportunities. To sell this asset, we should wait until the market reach this level. Since here we have a strong move to the upside, I need to wait until the market reach the 61.8 that coincide with this resistance, and then consider a sell position. Brent UK oil. The Brent UK oil on the weekly time frame, it is in a downtrend. You can see it here. Lower highs, lower lows. Self-explanatory, so nothing special to know about the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, the market is moving to the upside, but for me this is a correction. Do not confuse an impulse with a correction. So we have impulse, correction, impulse. This is a new correction that looks like this one. Okay, most traders think that this is a reversal and a move to the upside. It's too early for a reversal. What I will see is a correction maybe until this area here, which is the 61.8. Why? Because here we have a strong resistance. This is the resistance that I am talking about here. Okay, we have a strong resistance around this area. We have the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 94.99. So the market could retrace to this area here, which is 1944, and then move to the downside to the previous low, which is 84.77. So since we are in downtrend, we should look for short or sell ideas. I will wait until the market go up until this area, 94.99, and then short it all the way down until 84.77. Next, we have US 500. US 500 also on the higher time frame, we have a downtrend. You can see it. On the lower time frame, which is the daily one, the market found some buyers here and failed to break this level, 3,663. We have a bearish engulfing pattern, sorry, bullish engulfing pattern here around this support. So the market could retrace until this area. Maybe we will see similarities when it comes to correction, something like this. So the market could go to the upside around this area here. Okay, so the market, if this correction will be the same as length, so the market will go around this level here, where we have a strong resistance, 3,880, the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and then we will see a move to the downside to the previous support level. From here, it's better to start selling this asset to this level here, which is 3,663. Okay, so impulse, we have impulse correction. We have this 50% Fibonacci retracement, resistance, and then a move all the way down back to this low. Next, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, also it is moving to the downside, lower highs, lower lows, etc. You know it already now. The market, however, entered inside a range made of this low, 18,373, and this resistance or high, 25K. As you can see here, there is a high buy pressure, so most probably the market will go up to test this area here, which is 22K. Okay, we have lower highs, the market failed to break it to the downside, so the market could retrace to this area here. Okay, but that doesn't mean we should buy. I prefer to go with the flow, as I always say, trading with the trend. Okay, so first thing I would like to see is a breach of this level. So if the market breach this bearish trend line, it could reach first the 22K. Around this area here, the market could drop again to the downside. Okay, so the market most probably will test this resistance first and then drop to 18,000. If not, if the market continues its move above the 22K, then another level to think as a short level to short the Bitcoin is the 25K here, this high. Okay, so this is the first level here to short the 22K. If not, we're looking at 25K as another level to short this asset in case if this level is tested. Okay, so for BTC, we're bearish, but we need to look for areas to sell. We cannot sell it from here. There is no strong level to sell. The strong levels are 22,000 and 25K for short selling the BTC USD. So this is it for today's webinar. Hope you enjoyed it. We will see you next Tuesday, same time. Have a lovely day and please trade safely.